Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic video generation in Grok AI. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now, with Grok, you can take your images and create videos. But by default, once you click on Imagine on the left hand side and go ahead and attach any image of your choice, you will notice that it's going to generate a video. So let me just upload this image right here, and immediately you will say once I upload it, it started to generate the video. But what if I want to have more control over this and basically add a prompt and then select to generate the video and not let Grok AI do it for me automatically? That's where it comes in, where you can easily disable that feature. So in order to do that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So to do it, all you have to do is go ahead and click your account on the lower left hand side, and then go ahead and click on settings. In settings, click on behavior, scroll down, and you will find enable automatic video generation. It's going to be enabled by default, and then you just want to go ahead and toggle it off. And now from now on, once you upload images in Grok to generate a video, it will not automatically generate those videos for you. Let me show you again. So you saw that the first option automatically start generating the video. I'm going to go ahead again and click, for example, attachment to upload a new image. Let me go ahead and find a different image that I can choose. Let me just choose this one right here. And you will see immediately after attaching, it does not start, right? It doesn't start to generate the video, but now I can go ahead and put my prompt. So I can just say, bring this image alive, and then hit generate or click the send. And that's it. And so right now you will see that it's gonna start generating the video because I do it myself and not the AI automatically start generating the video. And that's how you can disable it. So if you find this feature super annoying, guys, and you want to basically disable it, I think it might worth disabling, and I really hope that you found this video useful. While the video is generating, guys, if you find this valuable, oh, look at that. It is super cool, right? Look how it brings it alive. It's amazing, right? It's really amazing. So guys, know that you know how to do this and you have full control over it. I believe that you'd want to disable this feature. So guys, if you find this valuable, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below. And if you have any question whatsoever, feel free to add them in the comments section below of this video, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you guys. And if you're new to my channel, I really appreciate if you join the community, become a part of this growing channel. And to do this, simply hit the subscribe button at the bottom right of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.